Hello everyone, this would be the pre-shipment check for this nice deck, Nakamichi DR-10. You already seen it on my channel a couple times, so we will be testing the functionality. Fast forward, rewind. Playback. Rewind more. So as you may see, it can play music pretty well. Now let me get test tapes and let's test how this deck performs. All right, so I will start recording on iPad so you would be able to see the results. That would be the frequency response tape. Let me increase sensitivity a little bit more. So as you may see, it's 10 kilohertz, 6.3 kilohertz, 1 kilohertz, and 250. All right, let me see levels. So with all Nakamichis. That's out here. Here are the levels on this tape. Okay, as you may see, all levels are in range of 1 decibel. So this means that this can produce frequencies from 250 Hz to 12.5 kilohertz. Very good. All right, now let's see, next tape goes azimuth. Switch to the scope. That's the azimuth and it's perfect, as you may see. All right, next would be 1 kilohertz tape, minus 10 dB. Shows good. And the last one, level tape. This one is 250, so it may or may not show plus 1 decibel on the indicator. Yeah, it shows plus 1 decibel. Sounds good. All right, next what we will be doing, we will try recording, or we can go with wow and flutter. Yeah, I forget. Let's go with wow and flutter tape. Switch to wow and flutter view. And WRMS. All right, it was sitting for quite time. I see it's a little bit too fast, but wow and flutter is super good. It's below 0.06. So what I will be doing, I will open it and adjust speed before I will ship it to make sure that everything will be fine. It's a little bit too quick. All right, and let's try recording on this deck. Let me collect tapes. Okay, type 1 tape, bias in the middle position. Switch into analyzer view, and we're recording. Minus 20 dB white noise, and it shows perfectly well. Minus 10 dB, and it's very good for type 1 tape. And 0 dB. And it's good results. Now type 2 tape. Let me wipe out display. White noise. For this tape I can decrease a little bit. Oops, sorry. Let's try again. Yeah, that's good now. I want a little bit too much. All right. Minus 10 dB. I must say that this tape, so I use it many times, so don't judge strong. All right. I would say it can be better with the newer tapes. And type 4. Set in the middle. Oops. It's wrong side, sorry. That one has stopped. Broken. All right. Wipe up. White noise. Interesting tape. Way better here. And much better here because it's metal tape. All right, that would be it. I will just adjust speed and ship it. So thanks for your attention. See you in my videos. Bye-bye. And in this part you may see that I'm adjusted the speed and it holds pretty well. And wow, when flutter even gets lower than it was before. It's really good deck in this respect due to I was able to source original belt. I was keeping it and then decided to use last year. All right, so that would be it. Thanks